Hey guys, this is what is GitHub. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to understand deeper what is a GitHub. So guys, I made this table over here so we can discuss further. So guys, GitHub is a website where developers can store, share, and work on codes together. So it is based on a tool called Git, which help keep track of changes to the code over time. So guys, GitHub make it easy for developers to collaborate on project and share their codes with others and manage changes to their work without losing track of anything. So guys, what to know? So guys, it is mainly used for coding project, but can be used as well for any kind of file management. So GitHub tracks all changes made to a project, so multiple people can work on it without causing problems. So developers can work on their own copies of a project and later propose changes to be added to the main project called pull request. So guys, GitHub is used by millions of developers worldwide, and it supports open source project where anyone can contribute, and also it includes features like issues tracking, project management, and team collaboration tools. And there you go. See ya.